Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see what little bit of money I paid for all of this meat, then stay tuned. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to show you really quick what I picked up at Stop and Shop. They had their hams on sale. Let me see. So this ham was originally $44.87 for $10.12. This one was $44.65 for $10.07. And this one was $48.29 for $10.89. So basically like $35 off each ham. Insane. Then I'm still sick, guys. I thought I was getting better, but I'm not. This roast beef was $22.37 on sale for $8.37. So that's like $15 off. These country spare ribs were $8.38 for $5.61, like 33% off that. Same thing with this pork, $5.39 for $3.61. Then their bacon was $3.99. I think their bacon's usually like $6.99, so it was, you know, for $4 for a pound. You can't beat that. And then the chicken breast, which I needed for the rest of the week for my food. It was originally $19.75, and then they had it on sale for $16.29. But then, if you downloaded the digital coupon even gave you more off. Where is it here? Sparrow ham, right here. So then it was $2.99 a pound. So I ended up paying $8.37. for the chicken cutlets. So $8.37 from $19.75. So that was pretty good, you guys. So if you have a Stop and Shop near you, I got the big freezer upstairs. I actually got one of these for my mom, and then I'm going to put two in my chest freezer upstairs. And this is the time when you got to buy them, when they're on sale. Because how can you beat a big, gigantic ham like this for $10? We'll probably have one on Mother's Day. I don't know. And then the other two whenever. But, yeah. So, nice little meat haul. Quick, I just want to tell you guys what happened yesterday. I was trying to call my mother all morning, and she wasn't answering. And then my niece called me at like 11 o'clock yesterday afternoon, and she's like, "Oh, and Arlene, I saw you were trying to call Graham's phone. I'm at the emergency room with her." So that was at like 11 o'clock. But my niece had to go out and help my cousin pick out, maybe I could turn this camera around. Let me see. I don't know how to do it, I guess. Maybe you can't do it while you're talking. I don't know. So, yeah, my mom was in the emergency room. She had to go with my cousin Kirsten to pick out Kirsten's, the baby's christening dress for next weekend. Because my niece Megan is the godmother. So, maybe I could turn it this way. I look terrible. So, anyhow, yeah, I stayed at my mom's. I went to the hospital, drove her home. She couldn't really breathe, so she was doing her breathing machine, and I had to run and get her prescriptions when they were ready. So I just stayed over there last night. So I just got home, ran to the store, ran in real quick. Now I'm gonna, I have to run to another store. I'm gonna go to Aldi's and get all my vegetables and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to be doing a recipe later. I don't know if I'll get it up today or probably tomorrow, because I'm a little backed up with my mom being in the hospital and everything yesterday. But she was so cute sitting there I took a picture and she's like, stop taking pictures of me while she was in the hospital bed. So I'll put a picture up here and show you. But yeah, so that was all day yesterday. So I'm going to put this stuff away. I got a little bit more to do. Throw my bra back on because as soon as I walk in the house, it's off. So I don't know if you can see that. If so, I'm sorry. A little too much information there. But yeah, so hopefully I get my recipe video done later and I'll get it up. Otherwise, it'll be up tomorrow. And then Thursday and Friday will be the other 2 videos. But all right, so I'll see you guys later. Love you guys. And if you're new here, please hit the subscription button and unfollow this crazy lady on her weight loss journey. Thanks, guys. Bye.